Makeup sponges. Sponges are great for blending and applying foundation. Yes, makeup sponges are a popular tool for applying and blending foundation. They come in different shapes and sizes, but the most common one is the egg-shaped sponge. Makeup sponges are made of different materials, such as latex or non-latex foam, and they work by absorbing and distributing liquid or cream products evenly on the skin. They can be used damp or dry, depending on the desired coverage and finish. Here are a few tips on how to use a makeup sponge. Dampen the sponge. Before using, dampen the sponge with water or a makeup setting spray. This will help the sponge to expand and make it easier to blend the foundation. Dot the foundation. Apply a small amount of foundation on your face and use the sponge to dot it on your skin. Use the sponge to blend the foundation in circular motions, starting from the center of your face and working outwards. Blend. Build coverage. Repeat the process to build more coverage if needed.